Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we embark on creative journeys among mountains, hills, and trees one step at a time. Join Rosie as she captures the beauty of nature with her paintbrush, each stroke telling a story of wonder and inspiration. Through her skilled hand, watches color blend harmoniously, breathing life into her canvas and echoing the hues of the surrounding landscapes. From the soft morning mist embracing distant hills to the fairy hues of a sunset casting long shadows across the trees, Rosie's artwork captures the essence of every moment. So come along on this journey of artistic exploration where mountains, hills, and trees serve as both muse and canvas, inviting us to see the world through Rosie's eyes. As Rosie traversed rugged mountain paths and meandering trails, she immersed herself in the raw beauty of the natural world, seeking inspiration with each step she takes. With her keen eye for detail and her heart attuned to the rhythms of nature, Rosie sketches fleeting moments of beauty, capturing the essence of mountains, hills, and trees in their purest form. Through wind and rain, sun and shadow, Rosie's dedication to her craft shine brightly as she translates the ever-changing moods of the landscape onto her canvas with passion and precision. Witness the transformation unfold as Rosie's paintings come to life, each brushstroke infused with the energy of the mountains, the tranquility of the hills, and the wisdom of the trees. Join Rosie on this artistic odyssey where every climb, every vista becomes a canvas waiting to be filled with the magic of her imagination. Subscribe now to Artistic Adventures by Rosie and let your journey begin. And join us for the next chapter of Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Until then, may your own creative journey be as boundless as the landscapes that inspire us all. Thank you very much.